Does the PNP have any track record in this regard? What did we do in our last administration, if anything, to enable the ease of doing business and
when
to
we were last in
strengthen our
government from 2012 to 2016, I was the Minister of Justice and I chaired the legislation committee of the cabinet. And I worked very closely with the different ministers to help them deliver on their legislative agendas, including in the area of improving ease of doing business in the country. One of the things we did, for example, was we put together the current process where if you're going to register as a business, whether as an individual registering a business name or or forming a company, you can get all of your necessary statutory filings done in one single process. So the incorporation of the company or the registration of a business name gives you not only the registration or incorporation certificate, but you get your NIS number, your GCT registration.
It's like a one-stop shop.
One stop. So when the certificate comes back, all of those numbers are on the certificate. And the TCC for the first 6 months of operation. We did that. And in fact, the achievement was significant because Jamaica improved its ranking internationally for ease of doing business and competitiveness as a result of that and other things that we did. I'm just giving you that as one example. So I think that I have a particular skill in this area. And I think a lot of the things that need to be done involve the re-engineering of processes and the changing of archaic rules that were developed sometimes many, many decades ago and are no longer fit for purpose.